Oh my god, what the hell is this thing? Uh, Fizzle, support, Goblin, Chowstick, Evil. Okay, we already have very good support. So this one should actually bring something very good on the table. Let's see what he have. Reduce damage taken by 40% when taking damage that exceeds 35% of maximum HP. This is some kind of survival spell, but we don't care. I mean, for support, you have to support your heroes. So this reduction of the damage is, I guess, is only for him. Going to the next spell. Timely Strike. Deals whitening damage to the enemy. Okay, I saw necrotic damage, now it's whitening damage to the enemy with a 50% chance of inflicting attack penalty. Reduce the attack by 25% for 5 seconds. Unlock a 2-star hero, increase the chance to inflict the buff 75%. Oh, okay, let's talk about this. First of all, yeah, he have a less good status like my previous support, so definitely I'm not going to use him. My previous support was doing necrotic damage, this one is doing whitening damage, so I guess there's so yeah, whitening damage I guess is going to be against enemies that have vulnerability against whitening, but still, I don't know. Let's see the last one, Electro Charge. This is the ultimate. Cast a chain lightning that bounces between the enemies, inflicting lightning damage with a 75% chance of dispelling one buff from them each time it hits. Chain lightning can bounce up to 3 times. Now here, depending how much damage we're talking about, but yeah, here we have even little scheme. But yeah, I have very good support, so maybe I'm not going to use this guy. Also, I don't know. What is this rock that he's holding?